Now more than ever, dear Aquarius, you really have to be, I want to say, careful with what you're putting into your mind. The images, what you're reading, what you're seeing. You need to put yourself in a position as much as you possibly can. Because I know this is something that can be very difficult depending on where you are in your life, what's going on around you. But you need to have, like, say, for example, I'm going to take 2 hours out of my day and completely disconnect from the world around me. I need to do this for my own sanity. I need to do this for my health. I need to take care of me before I can take care of everybody else in the way that I would love to, for example. So the Aquarians start to create some blocks in your day, every single day, in particular for the next maybe 25 to 27 days, blocks of 2 hours, 4 hours where you disconnect from the world around you and disconnect from the news, social media, everything that's going on, so you can have your sanity, essentially.